Hey, what's up, guys? It's Movie Warrior back for Bloom 4K Thursday. Today's unboxing will be for the brand new Dracula film that was released in 2023. That is for the Last Voyage of the Demeter on 4K. This is the collector's edition. It's 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray. Front, spine, back. If you read details and special features. Okay, Blu-ray disc, 4K disc. So we have moved collector salesman quick unboxing of The Last Voyage of the Demeter on 4K. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Comment section below letting me know what's your favorite Dracula film of all time. Thank you.